Hi everyone. Today I operated a heart-shaped lipoma. Let me tell you more about it. I am Dr. Apurva Samant. I am a plastic surgeon from Mumbai and today we are talking about one of the most common problems, a lipoma. So what it is exactly? It is a fat swelling. So basically a swelling that is made of fat, compressed fat. Hence it is a little firm. It is not hard but firm and it is movable. Sometimes you can just press it in between two fingers, and that is how most people identify it while maybe taking a bath or wearing clothes, and they're like, "Ki there is a swelling, kuch hai." It's but it's moving. What is it exactly? So then we identify it as a swelling, mostly a lipoma, and I generally go for an ultrasonography. Then, when we are sure of its diagnosis, we give the patient an option whether he wants to keep it or he wants to get it removed. Now, you will ask me, get it removed in the sense surgery? Yeah. The thing is, lipomas sometimes can be very small and numerous in numbers. Sometimes on the forearm, sometimes on the back, the thighs. I've seen some on the scalp too. So the thing is, if you say fat and fat can be liposucked or something, then why a surgery? The thing is, the fat in lipoma is firm and sometimes it cannot be sucked out with suction, and hence a minimum scar surgery works very well. So how much time does it take? Maybe if it's a single lipoma, maybe half an hour, and it can be done under local anesthesia. What do I mean by that? That we will numb the area around the swelling, remove the swelling, and sometime later you will start feeling again. By the time we will again give you some tablets to numb your pain. But if you are a person who has many lipomas, maybe more than 4, maybe it's on the back. I've seen patients with almost 50 lipomas, and you wish to get rid of all of them, then you will need some bigger form of anesthesia, and that becomes a bigger procedure in an hospital. So when should you remove a lipoma? Completely up to you. You want to get rid of it just because of cosmetic concerns? Agreed. If you don't want to get rid of it and you want to wait it out, ठीक है, वो भी चलेगा. And what are the hazards that can come with this? Not many actually. People get concerned with the scar, but we can keep it to a minimum. That is what a plastic surgeon does, and that is the reason I'm talking about this. What next? Recovery will be smooth. You will be fine within like a week and maybe 10 days. If you are having any other conditions, maybe you are a diabetic, maybe you have thyroid, maybe certain other comorbidities, well, there are certain chances of infection with every surgery, not only this. So considering that, this is considered to be a very safe surgery and a very commonly done procedure. So if you are having lipoma, don't hesitate to show a plastic surgeon. Show him or her, get yourself analyzed and know what best can be done for you. Thank you.